The Aviation Maintenance Technology program, located at College of Alameda's airport campus, is an intensive evening program that students can complete in just 2 years.
We qualify the student for jobs. Our ultimate success is measured by our student getting the job that they want.
The growth of aviation aerospace is not going to slow down. People are going to fly, people are going to continue to want to travel, and the need for technicians, for people to maintain aircraft, spacecraft, etc., that need is only going to grow over the next 5 to 10 years.
Plans are in progress for a new building to house the Aviation Maintenance Technology program to ensure a solid future of aviation learning here in the Bay Area.
If you ever fell in love with an airplane, if you like working with your hands, then a career as an aviation maintenance technician is probably right up your alley. This is a career that will sustain you for your entire life.
The program's amazing. You're going to learn a lot. All the instructors are really knowledgeable. You build a good base for starting your career, and it's affordable.